Oh, mama. Let me tell you this. There is absolutely nothing pleasing about your body odor at all. Now, do not take this to heart. Mobile name and HCC. But that's the thing, really. Most of them in HCC, they do not know that they ooze. In a Lucia Fanaco like this, in Eddie, I forgot what did it. I can swear by your car the other day. I could literally taste the rider's armpit. Things inside that, things inside that, also I can swear the baby in Wakada. Just to breathe, just to survive. I almost flew down from that bike. At some point, I couldn't take it anymore. See, I say, madam, we never reach where they go. Say, stop me! Stop me, and I may look at the jet. I was in Tiban non office for market today. Go to the deodorant, but use where appropriate. Hey, I have said this thing before, and I will say it again. If you know that you cannot take care of yourself because it is good for you, then do it for others. Because of Ubase, it will become a hate crime to have an odor. Oh yes, Nesin is your man. Can't do anyone a salako. Hey, and in case you have forgotten, I've a mobile Madam Theresa Omembojisa, all the way from a Bagana. A woman who can no longer tolerate an odor.